Welcome to Staying Dignified with Edith. My name is Edith Olaide Olale. Before we go into today's discussion, I want to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not, please do. Like and comment as we go. And if there's something you would like to drop, please drop it in the comment section. Let's talk. Today's video, I'll be talking about overcoming heartbreak. Overcoming heartbreak can be a challenging and emotional process. But here are some tips today that will help you to overcome that stage. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. The first on my list is allow yourself to grieve. Accept the emotion. If you want to cry, cry. If you're feeling anger, like despite everything, express it. If you're sad, express it. Allow yourself to grieve. If you don't allow yourself to grieve at that moment, you might not really like the outcome. Heartbreak is not limited to maybe a guy breaking your heart. It might actually be also maybe you lost someone. I remember when I lost my mother, I just cried sometimes and I would say thank God. But at some point, I had to seek medical help. My mentor, a medical doctor, Dr. Bayomi, had to call me and said, Olaide, you didn't really grieve well. Cry, let out the emotion. I was lean, I was just staying indoor. I would take my children to school, come back and sleep. For weeks, I was not doing anything. So allow yourself to grieve. Express the emotion, even if it's heartbreak. Express the emotion. Maybe you've wasted your time, years, your youthfulness in the relationship, your money and everything. You are angry, you're sad, you're feeling bad. Express it. Give yourself time. Don't just move from one relationship to the other. Give yourself time. It takes time. It might take someone an hour, a day, a week, a month. Just give yourself time. Make sure you allow the emotion to come out. Process your emotion. Let it just go from the first stage till you're fine. If you're feeling overwhelmed, reach out to people, seek support. You can call a friend, pour out your heart. Maybe a guy just broke your heart. You can call your friend, a supportive friend, a relative, your parents. Seek support. Sometimes it's not as if you really want them to like comfort you, say sorry. You don't need that. You might not need that. It might just be like you just want someone to hear you out. It's part of allowing yourself to grieve. You might just want to talk to someone. This is how I'm feeling. That is why if someone call you and the person is grieving, don't start advising them. You can ask, do you want a shoulder to lean on or you want advice? Don't just give them unsolicited advice, please. They might just want to grieve on you. And to the person that is grieving, that is undergoing the heartbreak, seek people that will truly support you. The second one is to practice self-care. Take care of your health. Eat. That's why I say allow yourself to grieve. Eat well. Stay healthy. If you're not healthy, you might not be able to come out of that grief. Stay healthy, eat well, sleep, exercise. Don't bury your emotion in things that will hurt your system. Some people, because they are grieving, they will start consuming alcohol, start smoking. No, at that moment, your mind is being altered by the substance you're taking, which is not healthy for you. Practice self-care if you don't care for yourself, if you don't value yourself, people might not value you. Engage in activities that you enjoy. If it's to go to cinema, go to zoo, go to restaurant, yoga, stroll, shopping spree, go. Just enjoy yourself. Do things that does not have to do with that person. Because sometimes some people, when they are grieving, maybe they do go to a particular restaurant with the guy. After the heartbreak, they will start going. That won't help. Do things outside that particular person you are grieving on, so you will heal on time. The third one is to reflect and learn. Reflect on the relationship that just suffered heartbreak, that just wrecked. Be sincere with yourself. Were you the problem? Was he the problem? You cannot deceive yourself. Is it hunger issue? Work on yourself. Is it that you lower yourself to be stepped on? Then regain your dignity and don't allow that again. Think of what the relationship, the previous relationship taught you. Think of what you would do differently that will help you in your next relationship. Identify the patterns or red flags that you experienced in the previous relationship and use all this experience to grow. Maybe you gave too much while you lost yourself. In your next relationship, I'm not saying you shouldn't give, but don't lose yourself while giving. Don't be trampled on. Don't tolerate what will eventually ruin your relationship in the next relationship. Learn and grow, move on from there. The fourth one is to forgive and let go. The reason why some people are still grieving, the reason why some people have not been able to move on from their ex is because they've not forgiven the person. Please try to forgive and let go. Yes, it duped you, forgive. Because if you're dwelling on it, you might not be able to move on. And some people are bleeding on their next relationship. That's why you need to overcome this heartbreak for you not to bleed on the next person. The next person might actually be a kind person. So please forgive. You wasted many years with him. He promised you marriage, but later dumped you. Forgive the person. Just trust in God. You don't know the plans God has for you. I know you did many things, despicable things, that you cannot even open your mouth to tell people with the other person. Forgive and let go. It will help you, not for him, but for you. Not for her, but for you. Let go of the resentment you're holding on to. Release the past and let the past pass. Because if you're still dwelling in the past, you'll not be able to forge ahead. When it has to do with closure, it's not everything you seek closure for. Because in seeking closure, you might not be able to move on. So if there was closure when it happened, fine. And if there was not, fine. Don't be hard on yourself. The last one is to seek professional help. If despite all this, you're finding it difficult to still move on, seek professional help. There are people that this is what they are very good at. It's a profession. Seek help. Consider therapy or counseling. And you can even consider both. Because some people out of heartbreak, it leads to depression. They grieve so much that they begin to even lose themselves. Seek help. Don't get to that stage. If you're noticing it, please seek help. In one of my videos, I spoke on how to overcome depression. So you can go through it. It will help you also. You can join a support group online, offline to help you out. Please, heartbreak sometimes change a lot of people from good to worst. Don't be that kind of person. Overcome your heartbreak, please. If the heartbreak is not from relationship or as a result of losing someone, I know how it can be. You can still overcome it by following this process. Yes, there is nothing you can do. The deed is done. Let go. Just be grateful the person was part of your life and live life greatly. That at the end of our sojourn on earth, when you meet with the person again, you will be smiling. I want you to remember this. Healing from heartbreak takes time, patience, and self-care. Be gentle with yourself and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Until next video, remember to stay dignified.